Hello guys, my name is Medinat. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a low budget Nigerian egg sauce. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today's recipe is going to be tomatoes, rodo, onions, egg, salt and Maggi. First thing first, slice your tomatoes, chop your rodo, slice your onions and mix your egg. Put your pan on fire and add oil under a medium heat. Once that is done, add in your tomatoes and turn, and after that add in your peppers followed by your onions, then your seasonings. I'm going to be using 1.5 seasonings. Then after that you add your salt, a pinch of salt, and turn. Then once you are done turning, cover it so that it can cook for some minutes. Once that is done, open to check the progress of the cooked tomatoes before pouring in your eggs. Once you are done pouring in your egg, make sure you check the edges to ensure that nowhere is burning. Then before covering it for some time, and once you are done covering, you leave it for like 3 to 5 minutes depending on what you are using before opening to turn. This is the end result and I'll be serving mine with rice. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe before you go.